How to review community awards on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review community awards on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and then just click these three lines in the top corner, go down, click settings and then click activity log. And now all you need to do is just click groups, communities, events and reels, and then go down until you find community awards. And as you see here, you can review community awards on Facebook Lite. And now just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.